When you're depersonalizing or neutralizing a space, how far do you need to go? Well, I've decided I'm going to start working on my entrance hall today. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, I want to repaint this medium gray with a light gray. And well, the first thing I'm going to do actually is change the light fixture. I've got another one like that I want to put over there. That one's quite dated over there. So I'm going to do that first. I haven't decided yet about my photo collage or the pictures, any of the pictures that I have up here. I still like them, and I'm not quite ready to put the house up for sale. So I might just leave them. You know, I'm going to take them down obviously to paint, but I might just leave the holes in the walls and put them back up the way they are. I do want to change this side. I've got a couple of different ideas for that. Unfortunately, I can't get rid of the piano right away. My granddaughter had expressed an interest in having it, but my son is kind of in transition right now. He's getting his house ready for sale, and if he ends up moving, there's no point to him taking the piano now and then having to move it again. So I might as well wait until they decide up where they're going to end up going before I get rid of the piano. And if they decide that they do not want it or they don't have room for it, then I can go from there and probably give it away to somebody else. Because unfortunately, pianos are, you know, a dime a dozen. I mean, they're so hard to get rid of because they're so heavy to move. I've already filled in all the little holes that I'm going to, little patches in the wall where I want to do. I left these two holes here because my remote for my fireplace is going back there in the same place. Touched up all those there. Not sure if I'm gonna put my family picture collage back up there the way it was before, if I'll do something a little different. I'm also doing the stairway here, and I filled in the holes there and there on that side as well, and a few spots over here. So I'm just using paint I already had, which is the light gray, which is that color there, and I'm hoping that that will help brighten it up a little bit. Not going to be a huge change because it's still going to be gray, but yeah, well, I'll get at it. I'm going to do the edging next. I finally got my adjustable ladder back so I can do over the stairs here. It's going to be a little tricky, but I have to get up and do the edging around there and also around the smoke detector. Well, I finished that back wall there and doing the edges, and now I'm gonna finish rolling the walls here. Well, I found another thing to do on my list while I'm redoing my entrance hall. I do not plan on keeping this piano, as I've mentioned in the past, but I am going to try and restore it a little bit. It's got lots of little scratches here. Some of the finishes is damaged, and even the this I guess music holder thing has got damaged as well. So I'm going to try and re-glue that with the clamp, and I'm going to sand the surface a little bit and try and restain it. I don't know if I can do all of it, or I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how much I think this back piece, of course, is fine. I won't have to touch that, but there's lots of like little scratches on it. Like even in the back here, there's a scratch along there that's been there for quite some time. Actually, you can't really see it too bad, so maybe I'll leave that alone. But definitely the top part here needs some work, and this part here, yeah. So, yeah, that's one more thing to do. So I started working on the piano today. I figured I should do all the dusty stuff before I do the final cleanup. I'm gonna have to clean the living room again, unfortunately, because I don't have any plastic to, you know, block that off. But I'm almost finished sanding off the top, and I want it to do this part here. And I'm not doing all of it, just just kind of where you see where there was some scratches there. So, and I'll show you this other piece. So here is the board that, you know, you put the music on. This is the back side of it. I've already put a little bit of this stain with polyurethane on it. This first coat anyway. I'll wait till that dries. Give it a little bit of sand, do another coat, or maybe I'll try the other side too. And some of it's dry and some of it's not, but hopefully it doesn't turn out too bad, and it'll blend with the rest of the piano that I'm not refinishing. Well, I've got the first coat of the stain and with polyurethane mix on here. I know I'm going to have to go back and do some touch-ups, but anyway, that's where I am with the piano. I did the other side of the board that you put your music on. I'll show you that in a sec in the garage. So I did the first coat on this other side of the board, just waiting for it to dry again, and probably do another coat. So I finally finished my hallway painting. I got my new light fixture there, painted the walls the light gray, which really helps to brighten it up, I find, and I even repainted all the trim and the white stair risers and the handrail. And of course, I also had to touch up the ceiling paint up there because I got a few little spots on it from the walls. So that's done. So I'm happy with the way it's looking so far. I brought the little area rug back here for now. I was thinking about changing that out, but we will see. I think I'm going to try a few different things. Obviously, I've got the new mirror here that was downstairs before. I'm just kind of switching things around, other things that I had in my house. I did put this one picture back here because I like that when I come down this hall. That's what I see. And yeah, so left to do. I'm not finished with the piano yet. I have to do a little bit more sanding, touching up with the stain, and I'll do a final polyurethane coat when it's all done. I'm basically just trying to work on this, and there's a spot over here that's not so good there. And also I have the music board thing still left to go on there. But I have my kids coming over for a barbecue today, so I'm gonna have to leave that and finish it another time. As you can see, I've got the big round mirror here that was downstairs before, and I am reconsidering whether or not I still want to put up my collage that I had there before with my pictures of my ancestors and my the christening gown that used to be my grandfather's. And I'm also debating whether or not I want to put the collage back up in the stairway here that I had before, which was my New York pictures. So anyway, I will have to think about that, and I'll show you what I end up deciding to do. Well, I finished refinishing the piano. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. So I'm thinking it looks pretty good here, and I like it. Now, part of the reason I had that like a runner on top of it was because of the damage to it, but you can really see the nice wood grain on here, and it's looking a lot better. So I put this lily here. I don't know if it's going to survive too well in this hallway, so I may end up having to move that. As you can see, a couple of the flowers have already died. But anyway, that's what I've got so far. That plus my essential oil diffuser there. Now, the little rug here, I'm going to steam clean that again. And I'm thinking about switching this one with the one that's in the guest room and bringing the guest room one down here. That is the one that is the navy and brown stripe one that I showed you previously in my home tour. The other option, if that doesn't go the way I hope it does, it might be too big too, is to get a narrower runner although I really didn't want to spend any money on this little update. But that's my plan for that. Do you approve, Misha? Are you thinking about it? Maybe? I don't know. So this wall is looking very bare right now. Same with the stairway walls. And it does make it look a lot bigger without all the collages that I had. I had the collage there with my ancestors and the christening gown. And I had collages on either side here of my New York pictures too. So I'm not sure if I'm going to, well, I know I'm not going to do exactly the same on this wall here. I've decided I want to change things up. And this whole idea is refresh, get it ready for sale. Not that I plan on selling right away. Maybe I'll do another video for an update on my plans for that. I'm kind of in a holding pattern. But anyway, this is where I'm at right now. And I'm not even sure which pictures I'm going to put back up there because I have so many pictures around. And anyway, I'll show you some different variations as I try and figure out what I'm going to do. And hopefully get this done today. So I brought this other little area rug down, and as you can see, it is just a little bit too wide. So that's not going to work. I'm going to have to see if I can find a runner, I think, to go there instead. I really didn't want to spend any money, but anyway, that's the way it goes sometimes. Yeah, so I'm going to steam clean that again, and I'm going to steam clean the other one there. And there'll be a couple things off my spring cleaning list. Here's the first picture I've got hung here. What I do like about it, it's one big statement piece, and the pink ties off with the pinks in my pictures of my granddaughters there. So there's that. So this is choice number 1. I may end up going with this one, but I want to try a couple other variations first. Here is choice number 2. Now I just hung it on the same nail as the big pink picture. I would probably bring that down just a couple of inches. It looks a little bit too high for me. And I do like the way it reflects in that mirror as well. So that's one. This was actually, I believe it was a local artist. But I've got a couple more pictures of hers. I'm assuming it was a her that painted that. And I'm gonna see how they look on either side of it. Well, I started putting up these other pictures there. I was gonna do that one there too. And I can already tell I don't like it, so I'm not gonna bother putting the other one up. So, on to the next one. So this is the final arrangement I've come up with. You may recognize some of these pictures from other rooms in my home tours, like the ones of the marshes on either side were in my guest room upstairs. And the one of the horses in the middle, that was downstairs in the bedroom in guest suite number 1. So let me know which one I should go with. Should I go with this group of 3? Should I go with the big pink picture? Or should I go with this picture of like an island that's hand painted? Yeah, I will be touching up all the little holes that I've made extra, trying to put everything up. I haven't put my paint away yet, so I can still touch it up. And also I wanted to show you what it looks like here from this side. So whichever picture is going to be on the wall, or pictures, and it's reflected in the mirror. Hey everybody. So yeah, let me know what you think I should do. So I'm just sitting here, I'm thinking about it. And I'm wondering if maybe instead of putting any area rug down there, I should just leave the floor bare here in the hallway. I mean, I do have a doormat on the deck before people go into the mudroom, and I have another little mat in the mudroom. So I could probably get away with nothing. And it does make the place look a little bit bigger too, right? I moved that into there temporarily because there's going to be more space for me to steam clean it. It's not staying there. So before you comment on that, just wanted to let you know that that's what the plan is for that. I'm going to steam clean it where I've got more space, and then I might move that into the guest room, I think. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. Should I leave the floor bare here? Should I leave the floor bare here? And what pictures should I put up in the hallway? All right, so I finally finished my spring cleaning in my mudroom here. Got the cobwebs down, wiped off the shelves, the bench, vacuumed, mopped, steam cleaned the little area right there. The floor's still a little bit wet in front of the doorway. I decided to remove the shoe rack that was there on top of the boot tray. I think the boot tray will be fine as it is. Misha, would you like to lead the way in? As you can see, this is the completed entrance hall. I put these pictures up here for now. I would still like to have your opinion whether or not I should change them out to that one big pink flower picture or the one picture of the other island and waterscape that was hand painted. I still have my lily here, but I'm gonna have to replace that because the flowers are pretty much done. I've got one dead one left on there, but I do need to find one that has, you know, the same kind of proportions. It's got to balance off of the lamp on the other side there. And I'm loving how the piano looks so much better without all those scratches, although it's not perfect. Don't look too close. I have brought down a couple of my New York pictures here. They were up in the stairway there, but I thought they do give it a little pop of color, but they're not too much in your face. And they're the right size and shape to replace the ones that were there of my granddaughters that was like from 10 years ago. Definitely need to get some updated portraits. Nothing really different in here, as I already mentioned. Paint at the stairway. And I did find with nothing here, it was just too bare. But I didn't want it to have, I didn't want it to be too cluttered looking. So I've just got the two canvas prints of my New York pictures, and the grays kind of blend in with the wall too, so it doesn't like stand out too much. And I put my grandfather's christening gown there. Now, I don't find that offensive. Of course, it's mine. But they do say you should not leave out things that are, you know, religious or political. So I don't know if anybody would think that's too religious to have there, but anyway, that's what I've got there. If you've got an opinion on that, please comment below. Should I leave it there when I actually do put it up for sale, or should I change it out to something more neutral? I don't know if I showed you these pictures, but I don't think I actually pointed them out, but these were here before, pictures that were from south of France, Beaux de Provence, I believe they called it. Beautiful place. And I was actually able to get the black marks off the door. I touched up all the white paint, the trim. I'm already seeing some other spots that I missed, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because I'm not moving for a while, but over a year probably, fingers crossed, depending on how quickly everybody else ends up selling their places and moving. So I'll probably do another video about that, about the reasons why, you know, I'm even contemplating selling now. But anyway, if you have stayed to the end here, I appreciate it so much. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one.